Hey there. Today we're going to make teriyaki steak marinade. In a bowl, we're going to mix together our soy sauce, water, sesame oil, honey, Worcestershire sauce, some garlic, and some ginger. And we're going to whisk it together and set it aside. Next, we're going to take our meat of choice, and tonight I'm doing New York steak and a chicken breast. Gonna marinate both of these in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours, or you can do it overnight. Next, you're gonna take the meat out and let it sit out for about 10 to 15 minutes before you throw it on the grill. And then you're going to just go ahead and grill it. Make sure that steak is to your liking. Once it's ready, you can go ahead and put it over some rice, some veggies, add your favorite sauce, sprinkle some sesame with some green onions. Oh man, it's so good. It's so easy. You can use it for any type of meat. Let me know if you try this recipe and enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.